Hey, what's up guys, this is another video. Today we are unboxing the PAMU version 2. That's a wireless headphone by Padmate. If you remember, we had the version 1, which was a very good wireless earphone for the money. It was, as far as I remember, something like $29, and it was decent. The new one, which has arrived, has much better and everything basically, much better quality, better bass, and hopefully, and also it's smaller. It's Bluetooth 5.0, so it should be better than the previous one. But let's see, let's open it up and see what is it like. Okay, so I was lucky because the Padmate team messed up my address, and I just could catch it on the post just before it went back to China. Okay, so I have the graphene version, as you can see. It comes in this box. Of course, there is a battery in it, so it's considered as a risky package. Why not? Okay, let's crack it open. Okay, there we go. The PAMU Scroll with Bluetooth 5.0. This is a photo of the scroll itself. That's the case it comes in, and the little earphones. On the side is the Padmate logo, and on the other side as well. Okay, PAMU Scroll stereo through wireless headset, leather portable charging case. Well, we'll see what's that. It's automatic on off, touch button control, splash and moisture resistance. It's only 5 grams. Binaural audio call, up to 3.5 hours playtime, and Siri activation. Okay, it was or actually still is an Indiegogo campaign, so you can still grab it. I think it's $39 now, so a bit more expensive. It can come in 4 different versions: the Glory, the Graphene, Rock and Roll, and Sakura. Well, I chose the Graphene because that looked the most, well, masculine, I would say. But I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out yourself, and you can still order it for a relatively low price. So, okay, there it is. Okay, this is it. Right, this is the little scroll. It has a micro USB charging port, but on the campaign page, for an extra $10, you can get a wireless charging connector to it, and it will make the whole thing wireless. I mean, the charging wireless. Okay, this is it. It's very nice, guys, I'll have to say. It looks very nice, it feels nice. It's magnetic, and this is where the earphones go, and by the touch of it, they didn't lie. It looks like leather. it looks like real leather. Magnetic connections, obviously. So this thing has a small battery in it, so you can charge the earphones without actually charging this one. And this is the little wireless earphone. It's very small, very nice indeed. And it's indeed smaller than the previous version, because if we compare this to the version 1, this is the version 1. That was nice as well, and it wasn't big. But compared to the version 2, it's, yeah, the size difference is massive. Okay, it's taller, but the circumference is much smaller, and it will probably it will stick out the same way, but not as bad. Okay, and the little light came on, and this is the second one, and let's put them into the charging cases. This is a little R here, you can see. And a little R on that one. So just, yep. And it's now charging. Oh, and it has a nice blue light here showing that it's charging. Let's see what else is in the box. Right, okay, I'm guessing this will be the micro USB charger. Yep, it is indeed. And some spare ear tips and a user manual. It's in Chinese. That's unexpected. No, we have it in English. Right, standard or glory edition. How to power on it. I can't try it because learning from the first version, it doesn't come charged. So your first step will be is to charge it. This is how you wear it, and it's a touch button operation. The first one, this one, when a call came in, it was only in one of the earbuds. It didn't come in stereo. I mean, not stereo, but it didn't come through to both earphones. This one admittedly will give sound in both, so the calling feature will be better. Charging about, oh no, it's 3.5 hours with a single charge. You can charge it twice using this little scroll. And this is the wireless charging pad that you can buy for an extra tenner. You just put it on it and you drop it on your wireless charging port, and that's it. Because the rest of it is, again, it looks like Korean, and then of course the decorations are there. Yep, really, this is it, guys. So this is the PAMU Scroll, the graphene edition. Very nice indeed. Wireless earphones, and they are now on charge, as you can see. The case compared to the old one, yeah, this is much better indeed. Right, thank you guys. I'll come back with my findings once I charged it up and tried, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.